national insurance. Mr. Speaker,
Yes.
it's a time to reflect. It's a time to reflect. It's a time to reflect, Prime Minister. It's a time to reflect. You know that too. You know, just like, sleep with your... I know I'm going to get the extra 5 minutes that they're taking for me. Mr. Speaker, I now turn to the national insurance. Every day, some are watching now. Some are watching. Every day, over 100,000 pensioners are awaiting anxiously to hear from the government, from the cabinet, through the Minister of Labour. When will they get their increase to their pension? The last time their pension was increased was in 2013. 2013. That is why the speech is the vulnerable citizens of Jamaica. These citizens that I'm talking about have served already. They are pensioners who have paid their dues. How can a government sit down and see, when you come and look now and see, that from 2013 there is no increase of the pensioners, and for 2.5 years you can't give something? Don't matter how small it is. Do something, man. Do something. Do something, man. Have some compassion.